So I ended up getting two iPhones, both in the white titanium, the Pro Maxes, one for me and one for my wife. So let's go ahead and unbox one of them. Oh yeah, look at that, looking good. So you get the iPhone 15 Pro Max with its 5 times zoom there. You get instructions, your Apple sticker, still no charging brick, but you do get braided USB-C to USB-C. And there you go. Of course, on the phone here, you get your on-off button, power button, your 3 cameras, flashlight, and sensor there, your Apple logo so that you know that you spent a lot of money on it. You get your new action button right here, and then you get your volume up, volume down, nothing on this side, and of course your USB-C.